Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And are you a virtual assistant looking to save time, reduce scheduling headaches, and impress your clients with seamless organization? Then you are in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Calendly, a powerful scheduling tool that helps you manage appointments, sync calendars, and automate workflows. And by the end of this guide, you will know how to set up your Calendly account. And of course, the first thing you need to do here is to head over to the calendly.com and sign up for a free account. And if you already had an account, guys, simply log in. So here, you need to enter your name, email, and then the password. So choose your role. Either select freelancer if that aligns with your work, and then confirm email and log in to access the dashboard. So don't worry guys, if the interface looks new, this is very user friendly, and here I'll walk you through it step by step. So event types are key to organizing your bookings, so here's how to create one for client consultations. So before that one guys is you'll be able to see this one in this rack, the event types tab on that one. And from the dashboard, you can tap on the new event type. So that one guys, and then choose the type of meeting. One-on-one is great for client calls here. So first one is, of course, the availability of you guys. So set up your availability, and the next one is you need to go here. As you can see here, it is important guys that your calendar is connected to your website, the Calendly guys. So these calendars will be used to prevent double bookings. And here, calendar to add events to Google Calendar. You can also include buffers in this calendar guys, and also delete or declining an event in your calendar will also cancel it in Calendly. So here guys, right after that one is you need to go to the dashboard, and on the right part, or here in the right part is you cannot see anything, but in the left part guys, click on the event types right after that one. So here you can also check the meetings here or the contacts and the workflows here. So here you can book your first meeting here, and again in this event type, tap on create, and here you can add a title such as a client consultation, and of course you need to specify the duration. So here guys, choose the type of meeting. So one-on-one is a great for client calls. And as you can see here, you'll be able to see this one. So here, add a title. For example, to that one is this one, and the duration. So for example, to that one is this is a one-on-one consultation. And here, below that one is the duration. So specify the duration guys. For example, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. And of course, you need to write a short descriptions to let the clients what to expect. And of course, guys, keep your description clear and professional because this will help clients prepare for the meeting. Next, define when clients can book with you. So go to the availability tab in the event settings, guys. So what we do a while ago is we choose our working hours such as 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you can also block off specific days or times when you are unavailable. You can even set buffer times guys. So here these small adjustments help you maintain a smooth workflow without overloading your schedule. And once your event is ready, it's time to share your scheduling link with the clients after this one. So here you can go back to your dashboard and you will be able to see there the share button. And after that one is copy the link and share it directly on your website if you have one guys. This makes scheduling so much easier for both of you and your clients and no more back and forth emails. So as you can see here, you'll be now able to see here the new event that we had been made. So right after that one is save meeting, guys. So to take your productivity up a notch, integrate Calendly with tools you already use. For example, that one is you can go to the integrations tab in Calendly and link your Google or Outlook calendar to avoid double meetings. So on the first part, guys, we did link the Google or Outlook calendar to this website and connect Zoom or Microsoft Teams to auto-generate meeting links for virtual calls. So these integrations save time and make your scheduling process even more efficient. And keep clients informed with automatic reminders, and go to the notifications and cancellation tab in your event settings, and you can also enable email or SMS reminders and customize the message to include meeting details or preparation tips. So here, guys, timely reminders reduce no-shows and ensure your clients are always prepared for their meeting. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see here. And here are some ideas, guys, on how virtual assistants can use this website. So for example, the one is client onboarding. So schedule introductory calls with ease, recurring tasks. So set up recurring events for weekly check-ins. And the third one is team collaboration. So these use group events to coordinate with multiple team members. And here, guys, tailoring your Calendly setup to your specific needs will help you stay organized and impress your clients here. So as you can see here, you'll be now able to see here the event. So here, you can zoom that one, the consultation, and that's it, guys. With this website, the Calendly website, you can streamline your scheduling, impress your clients, and save precious time as a virtual assistant. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips. And if you got any questions or suggestions, don't be shy to drop them in the comment section because I would love to read it. And of course, I would love to help. So as you can see here, you can toggle the event here. So right after that one, don't forget, you can still delete the event, guys. So here, let's go again here in the integration apps. So you'll be able to see that one, guys. And that's it, guys. Simply scheduling boosts productivity, and subscribe for more tutorials. Don't forget to like this video, and goodbye. See you in my next video. Bye.